Meaning of Isaac Singer.
Isaac Singer.
Isaac Singer.
Isaac Singer.
Isaac Singer. Isaac Singer was an American inventor, actor, and businessman who was best known for his contribution to the sewing machine industry. He developed and improved upon existing designs of sewing machines, making them easier to use and more efficient. The Singer Sewing Machine Company, which he founded with Edward Clark in the mid-19th century, became one of the most successful and well-known firms in the world, and Isaac Singer himself became a wealthy and influential figure in American society. In addition to his work in the sewing machine industry, Singer also had an interest in theater and performed in several productions.